We are very excited to have you here today, Mr. Major. This is where it all happens. That stun ray you used last week on Enlarge sold from that very desk. Now come over here, I'll show you some of the other parts. Here we have all of our sellers and shit. Check this out, they love me. Okay, everybody, your attention, please. Attention, please. Yes, thank you. You, stand up. Clive, stand up. There's a superhero in the room. All right, I'm very, very excited to announce that our Tuesday tester for today is none other, Mr. Major.
Don't touch me.
Right, so I'm sure you will all give him the utmost respect that he deserves.
I believe this young lady volunteered to show me around.
Lena? Oh, well, she's our best seller. Get up. Please.